So I'm going to show you how to use TE Tuner. Instead of having a needle, we get a nice little smiley face, and the circle sort of tells us whether or not we are sharp or flat. So I'll start out of tune and just show you what it looks like as you bring your flute into tune. So that's the basic tuner. And you can use that for, you can go up a scale and get some feedback about what the tendencies of your playing and your flute are. And then you can go in the, down at the bottom, you can see a little grid with the word sound. And I really like this part of the app for learning how to play in tune with another instrument. Now, it's not another instrument, it's going to play you a drone, and of course it's just a synthesizer, but because it's a flute drone as opposed to the drone you might have on your metronome, it's got a similar harmonic series, so it's a little bit easier to tune with. So I'll just show you how you could potentially use this. So you can see up in the top left-hand corner, it still shows us a little tuner there. So if I play a note, I'm going to play this A. In and out of tune, just to show you. So that's the tuning, the tuner up in the corner there that you can see. But then in this grid, you've got all these different notes, and you can press it, and it will, if you've pressed the sustain button up here in the corner, it'll hold that note for you, and you can hear what it sounds like as you come in and out of tune with that particular pitch, as well as see the feedback. So I would suggest playing up a scale, maybe, just to see, okay, when I play in, for example, A major, what are my tendencies? So if we start with an A here, and I'll go in and out of tune on purpose so you can hear the beats. Could go up the B. Now, of course, I'm showing you right now the way it works. Your goal is to, of course, keep it in tune without any beats. And we'll try a B. C sharp, which they call D flat here. They're using the enharmonic equivalent. Now, of course, this is a sharp, sharp note for most of us. So I'll start it on purpose really sharp and show you what it sounds like as you bring it more into tune. And E, D. Up your scale like this and just see what your tendencies are. So on my flute, the B is really sharp, the C sharp is really sharp, and then my E is quite low. And so by practicing with these sustained tones, I can not only get visual feedback, but also hear what it sounds like when I am creating beats.